Look at all the gear. It's not people's stuff, by the way. It's actually just part of the staging, but it's really awesome. All right.
Attention, Expedition
And we're in.
Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms,
All right, guys.
and please supervise children.
All right, guys.
Una vez a bordo, coloquen sus efectos personales en la bolsa delante de la silla para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y por favor cuide a los niños.
Thank you. Nice lady reminded me that my floor parts after it had visor was going to become gone if I didn't grab onto it. There we go. Guys. All right. Okay, well, that was awesome. All right, guys. We are out of here. All right, so when we started going backwards and it made the turns, yeah, the gimbal couldn't keep up, but you guys hung in there. I appreciate that. So that, my friend, that was Everest. Kerwin, it is an amazing ride. It really is. So here's a great view of the Yeti. He's not that cute on the ride, right? And they have a great, this is just their little gift shop after the, yeah, Addy, I am. So this is a little gift shop where you can buy all your Everest stuff and kind of prove that you're on Everest. That's awesome. Hey, see Sean. All right, so we're gonna start heading out. I want to show you guys a great view of this ride. Look, everybody has the same idea. But this is a great spot to watch. Hold on. So guys, that's what you just did with me. So all right, so instead of waiting for the next car, that was awesome, guys. I appreciate you joining me. The middle there, when we kind of, the gimbal got a little goofy, I apologize for that. It just was tough to grab my hands around. Hi has joined. Hi. Hello.